In this video, we will discuss the Dark War Survival Best Heroes and Formations. So we have in here the tier list of heroes. We have S tier heroes right here, and you need to prioritize them first. So this is the best heroes for early to mid game progression because they offer high base stats, reliable scaling, and fit essential roles like DPS, tanking, or utility. We have Guy, which is a fighter or DPS with a pure attacker and offensive stats. We have Catherine Rex, which is a fighter and tank. Megan, which is a shooter and tank. Evans is a shooter and DPS. We also have A tier heroes, which are Wes and Bursting In, which is Scarlet, which is a rider and attacker. Liz, which is a fighter and healer, which is good for both roles right here. This is an early on game healer worth building. Victor, we have them as rider or utility, as well as Andre for shooter and research. Now we also have B tier heroes that you need to use temporarily and replace quickly once you have better ones. So Bob, we have Bob, which appears early and can tank decently for few stages. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.